An if statement is a statement in PHP that allows us to evaluate a condition. And whether that condition is true or not, it decides whether to execute a statement. So let's take the syntax. We start with the keyword if in PHP, followed by round brackets. Within those round brackets, we place a condition. For the moment, I'm just going to leave it blank. After the condition and after the round brackets, we put in a curly brace and then finish off that with another curly brace pointing the other direction. Between those curly braces, we can put in any number of statements that we choose to execute if the condition evaluates to true. For example, let's start off with a simple variable named month, and I'll set the value of that variable equal to January. In the condition section of the if statements, I'm going to check to see whether the month variable is equal to the month January. If that evaluates to true, then it will go in through the curly braces and execute any statements it finds there. In this case, I'm just going to echo out the message, Happy New Year. I'll save that, and let's just see if that runs in my browser. So I can see that it actually runs and it does execute and does evaluate to true, so I'm going to get out the statements that are in the if statement. If I go back to my code and I change the month from January to some other month, save, and I refresh, it doesn't output anything. And this is because this if condition would have failed and returned false. Therefore, it doesn't go in to execute all of these statements inside the curly braces. And that's a basic if statement.